We are live. The judge is back.
Oh, that was quick.
We are now going to get, I think, a proper verdict.
All right, we're ready for the jury.
The jury is coming in. Just a quick recap for those who missed this.
Wow.
We got one last twist on this case. As they're entering the jury, they came in, they handed their verdict over, and the judge had to correct them. They didn't fill in the damages portion, but they acknowledged that there clearly was a defamatory statement. They now took, I think that was 10 minutes, maybe? They did it quickly. We're now going to see who they found the defamatory statements by. Is it by Amber and the op-ed, or is it Adam Waldman's statements via Johnny Depp? Apologies for the quality. Everyone is fooling this feed. Here it comes.
Sick.
Oh, this feed is awful. I warned you guys.
Frozen.
Is it frozen everywhere?
Lower the resolution.
We'll be sitting, so. Oh.
Okay.
Then it goes to the clerk.
Looks like she's now approved it. I got my mega pint ready. Oh my God.
All right,
She
Mr.
enters
Foreperson, is this the verdict of the jury? All right, is it unanimous? Thank you, sir. Jane?
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Has Mr. Depp proven, quote, by a greater weight against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath? The statement was made that has to change by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes.
Yes.
Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes.
Yes!
Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes.
Yeah!
Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes.
Yes!
Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer, yes.
Yes.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. 2. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women
This is the one.
in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes.
Oh my God.
Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
That is so important.
That's it.
3. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
Yes.
Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence? That question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question,
All three.
the statement
He
was
went all
about
three.
Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million. In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp. 1. As to this statement, appearing in the April 8, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media used fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no.
No.
2. As to this statement appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Ms. Heard proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp, made or published the statement? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was seen by someone other than Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes.
Oh.
Do you find that Ms.
one.
Heard has proven by clear and convincing evidence that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As to this statement, appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, we've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
Does either side wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
Jamie?
Members of the jury, if this is your verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Juror number 6. Juror number 10. Juror number 15.
Yes.
Juror number 16.
Yes.
Juror number 22.
Yes.
Juror number 27. Juror number 29.
Yes.
I do find that the jury's verdict is unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your service in this
Wow.
case. I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial, and I know I speak for everybody here when I tell you that we appreciate your sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay? So I'm going to have you go back to the jury deliberation room for one more time, and then we'll release you from there, okay? All right, thank you.
How much did they award Amber?
$2
$2
million.
mil.
15 million to
Johnny
Johnny.
15.
So he got 13 million.
Yeah.
They'll cancel each other out. Wow. I'm a little thrown by why, and I looked up the part 2 is that they're
It's
saying
the Waldman.
Yeah, the officers came to the penthouse, thoroughly viewed and unviewed. There was no damage, so
Okay.
Amber and her
In
friends
accordance
spilled
with
the
law, I
wine.
will amend the punitive damages award to the statutory cap of $350,000.
Yep,
Mr.
he
Depp's
loses that.
award, okay?
It's a cap.
I will set this down for entry of an order, and can we do it on June 24th at 10 a.m. if that's available?
So he gets 10 million.
All right, if Mr. Chu, if you could prepare that order and then circulate it to Ms. Bretterhoff, and we can have all the objections noted on it. All right? All right, and if I get it before that date, I'll take it off the docket, okay? All right, again, thank you to all the attorneys for your professionalism, and you're welcome to come to my courtroom anytime. Well, give me a few weeks, but then you can come anytime.
I like her.
Thank you.
Judge Penny for Supreme Court. My God, she was so fair and patient.
I'm going to take a quick phone call. I have somebody who's been waiting for this, and now I'll come back.
Yes, thank you, Laura. Are you excited? Are you happy?
I'm thrilled to death. It's wild, but I do have to talk to this
Okay,
person.
come back. We'll be here.
Go,
We're going to
go,
react.
go,
Love you,
Laura.
Laura.
Okay,
Thank you for
thank
everything
you.
you've done. Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much. Guys, this is unbelievable. I see the tears. I'm thrown by why they found one of Amber's statements to be defamatory. I have a reason, I think. We're going to go through that, but let's not lose the lead story here. Amber, all of them. She lied about all of them, and they awarded him $15 million. That's how sure this jury was, how quickly. All 7 of them exposed Amber Heard for who she was. Oh my God, I'm so happy. So many people out there were fighting this for so long, saying Johnny was the monster. They just bought it, and now he has the true justice. I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier to watch Amber on that stand. There was a moment I did feel for her, but then I sat and I thought, you know what? I don't feel an ounce of pity. You push yourself here. You took it so far, and what you did is sickening, and you're lucky you're not going to prison. You are so lucky you're not going to prison for what you did. You didn't fool this jury. They didn't believe you because you're a liar, and we've been saying it forever, not because we're Johnny Depp fans, but because we knew. We knew through the evidence with people like Laura B. and so many people. I am so proud to be part of this movement. I am so happy to wear this shirt. I'm going to wear it forever because of what we did here together. I am so proud of all of you. I'm so happy. Steph, I saw you getting extremely emotional. I got to get your reaction.
This is a very, very rare example, guys, of a victim of DV being able to go to court, face their monster, and win. And part of the survivorship community, we got to take these wins any which way we get them. And Johnny Depp not only just won for himself, this is a big win for our community. And it just shows that it can be done. It's hard, it's difficult, it's a long road, but it can be done.
Oh,
Position in a similar predicament. You have no idea. I'm absolutely happy that now the whole world knows that Johnny is part of the survivorship community. He is a victim of domestic abuse. He is the victim. Amber's the monster, not him. And he stood her stared her, well, I say stared her down, you know what I mean? He stood his ground. And he said, enough is enough. I'm not taking your BS. I'm not taking your narrative and letting that rule the world and running me into the ground. You already run me into the ground physically. I'm not letting you do it every which way that you can. No way. And he did that in court. And he's got the exact outcome that should have been, which is that the truth prevailed. And the jury saw that. And it means so much to so many people. And I hope now that the media can bloody wake up and see this jury verdict and be like, oh, hang on a minute, maybe we got it wrong. No shit, Sherlock, you got it fucking wrong. But now start telling the truth. Start telling the truth. I have a suspicion of how they're going to spin it.
Oh my God, they're going to spin it like crazy, and we're going to cover all that spin for you and so much more. But Steph, I'm so proud of you. Kim, everyone come. I want to clip this to upload this so you have the reaction. It's just, I'm so happy because you know what? They're going to spin it into, oh, they don't believe women. We absolutely believe women. But I'm just so happy that now they believe women can lie too. And that's why that statement was always problematic. Because we got to believe everybody and we got to believe evidence. And when a man is going to, or a woman is going to put themselves in this spotlight, in this court, in this trial, and do everything that they did, they have that right. And so many tried to take that away from him, to shame him and say, how dare he put her through this battle, blah, 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 blah. Well, thank God he did, because I can't think of a case like this that finally proves, against the media bias and everything else, that how important due process is. I'm so proud of him that he stuck to his guns. This was so revealing and it's so sad to put all this out there. You got to remember, guys, Johnny tried to avoid all of this. He gave it up and gave her that $7 million settlement with all the money. He gave it to her. They agreed to it. He moved on. She couldn't help herself. She couldn't help herself. She's despicable and she deserves this, and I hope she finally learns. But honestly, seeing everything that we've just seen her lie about, everything she's put through, I don't think this woman can learn a thing. But I'm so proud of Johnny. I'm so proud of this movement. We are not going anywhere. We are going to be here live. I'm just clipping this. If you want to watch us live, come join us. We're live right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, hitting that subscribe. Stay tuned with us. Thank you guys so much for